Okay guys, so welcome to this tutorial about ambient occlusion baking. You start by selecting the low poly model, then you go into the UV editing workspace, and if you haven't already, you go to edit mode and select all your faces, and then you make the UVs for the low poly model. Then you'll create a new image to bake your AO map onto. Now you'll want to go into the shading workspace. And from here you'll just create a new image texture node. Then you'll find the image texture that you created in the UV workspace and select it. Then you can control click to select high poly version of your model and the low poly version, and then select the image texture in the shading workspace and bake the AO map from the render settings tab. When you're done baking, you go into the UV workspace again, and then you save the image, the AO map that you baked, to your hard drive so that it will remain when you close Blender and open it again.